Disney family. We are headed, look at these ears. Look at these ears. These were made from my friend Sarah, Dream and DIY. I'm sure that the tutorial has gone up at this point, so I will link her channel above. You guys can go check out the tutorial on how to make these. But she made them for me when we did our little exchange. And she's the freaking best, and I adore her. And now, if you can't tell, we're headed to EPCOT. And we're gonna meet our friend Ron. I get to meet Bekah Hart today. I'm so excited. We ditched the stroller. We're just doing the carrier because I'm sure, as you guys could tell yesterday, Rosie stayed in the carrier the whole time. So we just brought the carrier. She's just a little extra clingy right now. She has, I'm gonna overshare. She has an ear infection, another one. I think every trip you guys have seen us on, she has gotten sick. So she actually has to get tubes in her ears. She sees an ENT when we get back. But yeah, she's had, I think, 6 ear infections in 6 months. My poor little baby. But she's already on antibiotics. We saw the doctor before we came. And so she's just, you know, feeling like she usually does. My poor baby. But we are headed to the bus stop. Susie's walking away.
I don't have cute ears. I'm in ear jealousy, but that's alright.
We'll
ear envy.
We gotta get you some cute ones. They have cute like flower and garden ones. But I think they have like really cute flower and garden ones.
Do they?
Yeah.
They can't be that cute though.
No, I think they're the pink flower ones. Have you seen them?
Those are cuter.
Yeah.
Those are violet lemonade.
Well, these were made with love.
They were. And they're super cute.
They are really cute. I love them.
I'd love to learn how to do those wire ears. I guess I'm gonna go have.
Hey, you're gonna have to go watch her DIY. It's not up yet, obviously. I'm speaking to the future self. So it's not up yet. No, Sarah just had her baby, which she announced on Instagram, so I don't mind saying that. She had her baby like 2 days ago? I think she, yeah, no, 3 days ago. Yeah, she texted me Monday and goes, guess who's here? Say hi. Her name is, it's either pronounced Daylin or Dylan. I'm not sure just how they're choosing to pronounce it, but it's one of those two. All right. Now I'm out of breath because I'm holding all the things. So let's head to the bus. Hello, we're back at EPCOT. We are headed in. We just got off the bus. So, Susie, you excited?
Very excited.
How does that menu look for Flower and Garden? The Flower and Garden menu has more gluten-free options than I have ever seen in my life. I cannot wait to eat all the food. How about you?
All the food.
All the food.
And all the drinks.
And all the drinks. And all the violet lemonades, which I've never had in my entire life. Pass holder entrance. Pass holder, pass holder, pass holder, pass holder. Good morning.
There you go, welcome home.
Thank you. Ooh, that ball. Alright friends, today we are trying a stroller rental because like I said, Rosie has not been into having a stroller, but every once in a while we're able to stick her in and she may like the way that the strollers are here, so we're giving this a try. Plus I know you guys have been asking for my Zoe stroller review and I need to get it out. But I also wanted to add in other options, including stroller rentals at Walt Disney World and stroller rentals outside of the parks where they deliver to your hotel and back, which I will get into with this video. But so I'm gonna let you know full honest review of how I feel about renting strollers here at Walt Disney World. Now a single stroller is $15 and a double stroller is $31. So I figure I'll throw those prices out here and then we can kind of do some comparing and contrasting. Obviously the convenience is you don't have to fold it up and put it on a bus if you're taking the transportation. So you can just come into the park and then you return. Now, as far as like, if you have a park hopper, you can take your stroller receipt from today and you can bring it to any other park and you don't have to repay for another stroller. And you can also do length of stay stroller rentals, which I think are $13 per night. So those are all important things. If it's different than $13 a night, I will let you guys know, but I'm pretty sure that's the cost is $13 a night.
Look at Daisy.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah.
So you can't get Pluto anymore?
No. There may be a few Plutos hanging out with Daisy.
Yeah!
We came to do it.
I got both! They had a couple hanging out with Daisy. All right, my friends.
Yeah.
The violet lemonade, I've already taken a couple sips. It is delicious. I ate the flower on top. It was an edible flower. Rosie's trying to go to sleep. Yeah. Really good. I love it. All right, friends. We got the roasted cauliflower.
But I would. I need it like
It's gluten-free.
Except for spinach.
So I'm gonna give it a little try and get all the everything.
I used to love all kinds of stuff when I was a kid. I used to love liver. I used to love. Oh yeah.
That is unbelievable. Mom, this is insane. This is so good. It's like, try this whole, I gotta get every single thing. That is so good. Highly, highly recommend.
Yeah.
10 out of 10. These are really cute.
Oh, those are cute.
But look at how cute this little bag is.
This is the whole lemonade.
This is the whole lemonade. Look at,
No.
look at this, Mom.
They probably do in the
They've
air
got
conditioned shop.
really cute.
Wow.
I love these. What's the front?
Just regular. They didn't
What's the
use.
front?
That's cute.
Oh, that's cute. It's got the
That was
little.
really cute.
That's very similar to the ones they
That's
had
really
for
cute.
food and wine this year.
Did they do these for fruity?
And then they've got, I like the sparkle aspect. There's sparkle even in the paper here.
These are cute.
What's this? Is that a little napkin? Socks.
The
That's
socks,
so cute. Look at these socks.
I know. Man, they can just put up whatever price they
Look at
want.
this, Mom. I like this.
Buy them.
Oh, of course I will.
Look at that.
Of course I will. So the glittery stuff is built into the plastic.
Yes,
Okay.
isn't that cute? It's like a little shaker card, but
Yeah.
a shaker purse.
It's very
They also have these cute little, look how cute these are. My goodness. Okay, we got the crispy chicken. I don't even know where it's from, but let's give it a try. Rosie's chilling on the ground.
crispy
Oh.
citrus chicken from the citrus blossom.
That's really good.
And it's nothing compared to this.
Friends, look who I got. He's so cute. Ron doesn't think so, but I think it tastes like a creamsicle.
Yes. Yeah, it does. Yeah.
You think so?
Well, I actually think it tastes more like orange pudding.
Orange pudding.
Yeah.
Delicious either way. So good. Y'all, so far the food is better than any festival I've been to. And I think it's because there is so many gluten-free options, so there's so many choices for me, but the food is excellent. So friends, we are in the Hawaii display in Japan. I love it in here because of all the little tiny things. And you guys know, if you've seen my collectibles collection, I love little tiny things. So I know we're all over the place this morning, but this is what we're looking at right now. Ooh, look at those little tiny things. Look at the washi tape.
Everybody looks cute.
Look at the buses and the monorail. Look at the sushi. Look who I found. Hi. We have literally spent the whole afternoon together and haven't vlogged
I know.
a minute, which means we're enjoying each other's company.
Yes, I know. We literally haven't gotten our cameras out.
No. And we were planning to meet at 1:30 and then found each other in the World Showcase and then found each other again and just decided.
We were like, well, we'll just what are we doing? Yeah, I know.
So anyway, you guys know Bekah.
I seriously had the best time.
So much fun. Like probably way too much fun.
I know. It's so cool meeting people like when you build a relationship through YouTube and now it's like, well, I already feel like we're best friends.
I know.
You know?
I was like, we've been talking for 6 months every day.
Yes.
I mean, when I saw her, I teared up because I was like, I can't believe this is happening. I'm a very emotional person. I know I don't seem like it, but I actually am. I'm very emotional. So anyway, I found Bekah. All right, friends, Rosie's asleep, but I just went to the France Pavilion, and I have no idea what you guys saw last. It was either Bekah or Spice Road. We just had the hummus fries at Spice Road, but I wanted to try this cucumber chilled soup. And it smells like there's some pesto mixed in on the top. And then I also, of course, you guys, I got the frozen. Ooh, the frozen is good. And then the soup. The soup is so good, Mom. It's like a pesto. This is really good.
Yeah, but it's got cucumber.
No, try it.
Sounds great.
If you don't mind a chilled soup, it's excellent. Just wanted to show you guys some gondola progress. Wow.
But you know what?
Massive. Just walked into Beach Club. Rosie's awake but relaxing. And look at how beautiful these Easter eggs are. Do you see them, Rosie? Alright friends, we're in a new lounge. It's called the Cruise Cup, and I've actually never seen this door right there. I've never seen it open. So it's open, and we decided to walk in because look at this cute little table we got for Rosie Tozy to walk around. Rosie! Hi! 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 Hi. So yeah, we're gonna try. We've just been kind of snacking all day. We haven't really eaten like a full meal. We've just kind of snacked around the world and Flower and Garden, and so definitely tired. I'm tired. Probably gonna call it a night early because I think we're all pretty tired. Are you tired? You want to look?
They bring drinks to me.
Hey. Hi, cutie. Well, I found nothing else in Cruise Cup, but it was great. I had the 14-year aged hot dog. It was delicious. And my mom had the Caesar like wedge salad, also delicious. And we came to look at some more eggs at the Yacht Club. Well, we decided to take the walkway from the boardwalk to Hollywood Studios. And so we're walking. Say hi. 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 Can you clap?
Oh, look at
Clap, clap, clap.
s'mores.
S'mores. Should we stop and get some s'mores? Can you clap? Clap, Rosie. Clap, clap, clap. Just like I can. I see. helicopter. Hey friends, I just noticed that the bus depot is open. So we're gonna go walk through the new bus depot. This is very exciting. I like it. It looks like Magic Kingdom. It looks like it's laid out like all the other ones. The Galaxy's Edge right there. This is beautiful. This new bus depot looks so good. And then friends, here are the gondolas. There they are. Here is the new gondola system going into Hollywood Studios. Well, my friends, we are going to bed. I have no idea what the last clip was, but I hope you enjoyed today. We had a wonderful time, and tomorrow we have the tea tasting in EPCOT. I am so excited for this. So we will see you in the morning. Good night.